Is your mobile or CTV app starting to see traction? Are you feeling the growing pains of trying to piece together campaign performance across multiple tools and platforms? Imagine having one place to measure everything across your mobile and CTV apps for free. Welcome to Free App Analytics by Kochava, a powerful no-cost platform built to help you understand what's working, where to optimize, and how to grow smarter. With Free App Analytics, you can measure your app users across all mobile and CTV devices. Get a unified view of performance and deduplicate conversions across your partners. Analyze and optimize your omnichannel campaigns from one simple dashboard. Plug and play with the most popular growth partners. Safeguard your ad spend with built-in AI-powered fraud prevention. Create seamless user journeys with integrated deep linking tools and more, all with a single lightweight SDK that works with all your favorite platforms. Whether you're just getting started or scaling fast, Free App Analytics can grow with you without swapping out SDKs or platforms. Start free. Grow with confidence. Visit kochava.com/freeappanalytics to set up your free account.